I'm Laurie.
And I'm Hannah.
And we're Journey with the Gingers.
And these are our puppies. This is Eliza.
And this is Bella. We just want to end our Vlogmas just by, first of all, saying we hope that you and your family have a very happy holiday and that you get some time to spend together and just enjoy the moment. You know, just have lots of fun and make lots of traditions.
To end out our Vlogmas series, we're going to show you around our house just so you can see how we decorated a little bit of our home to go with the holidays. So we hope you enjoy that.
Now this tree is very special because, first of all, it's tall. I think it's 11 or 12 feet tall. But my sister actually gave us this tree because after she bought it, she thought it was too big for her house. But I love it, and it has the colored lights on it. But all the ornaments on this tree are family type ornaments. We have ornaments that Hannah made in church. We do have our travel ornaments on here now. My husband has his Star Wars ornaments, if you know those from Hallmark. So we just love this tree very much. If you watch some of our previous Vlogmas videos, you'll remember these little Christmas trees that we taught you how to make using the ribbon, and the link for that video will be in the description. Also on our mantle we have the lanterns that we made in one of the videos, and that video is also below. And this is our dining room Christmas tree. Kind of goes with the dining room because of the golds and the red. And there's Eliza, of course. And we have an R for our last name at the top. This is our dining room Christmas tree. Still in the dining room, and this is my hutch in the dining room that holds some of my dishes. And these houses right here belong to my grandmother, and my grandfather owned a lumber mill at one time, and in front of the lumber mill he owned a small gas station that looked a lot like this one. So I think it's really cool that this was part of her collection, and I was very blessed that she gave it to me. And also this was her church too. So I love that the light is inside. It kind of shows through the stained glass. It's really pretty. Earlier I did a video on how to make these little trees out of Dollar Tree Christmas trees, and that link is also below. I also made this wreath last year using Dollar Tree Christmas trees, and I love how it turned out. And I didn't make a video about that, but I have the video below of the person that actually did the tutorial video, and she's excellent at how she shows you how to make it. So that video is also linked below. These three wise men are so important to me because my parents actually made them many years ago. And if you look closely, it's kind of, I love them, but it's kind of funny what they're made of. They're made of wine bottles. And back in the day when women wore slips, lacy slips, they draped the slips over the wine bottles, and Dad added the details to the faces and everything. And one thing that when I got them from them, they were of course pretty dull. So I spray painted them with gold glitter spray paint. And also they were missing the gifts in their hands. So I went to Michael's and got some miniature little bottles and such and spray painted them also and put them in their hands. I just love having things in my house that remind me of my family and growing up. We also have a tree in my craft room, and this is my little tree in my craft room. These ornaments, the black and white ornaments I actually make for my Etsy store. Those of you that don't know, I own an Etsy store where I sell pregnancy announcement onesies. I sell personalized onesies, but for Christmas I also sell some ornaments, and these are just ornaments that people can put on their trees to surprise their loved ones, or they can actually give it to them as a gift at Christmas to surprise them, to let them know they're pregnant. And I also sell some personalized doggy ornaments, and that's our dogs, Bella and Eliza. So this is my Christmas tree in my craft room. And of course we have a Christmas tree for Clemson, because my husband collects lots of Clemson ornaments. We hope you enjoyed this visit to our home. We definitely appreciate everything y'all have done to show us support to our channel and to us. This is the last video in the Vlogmas series, but we have put a link below the entire playlist, and if you haven't seen all the videos, we hope that you will, and you'll enjoy them for ideas and inspiration to have some fun during the holidays.
And please don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video, and also hit subscribe, where we post some more of our travel videos after the series, just so you can follow along with the trips that we have made throughout this year. From our home to yours, we of course wish you a happy holidays, and we also wish you safe travels in 2021. And as we always say as we end our videos, please stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to journey on. Bye.